and the way in. Show some support and love. Don't forget love and support. Xander, how you doing, man? How you doing? Good morning, everybody. Brenda, good morning. SPEN up over 75%. Yes, I know. Uh, nice. We got a huge deal in Abu Dhabi for SMCI with the G42. Thank you for the reminder, brother. Jason, yeah, SMCI, we have another push right now, guys. SMCI getting crazy now, guys. It's getting crazy by the second. Look at that. We have 19% now before the market open. Another push up. So I expect, guys, the $50 before a huge pullback for SMCI, for my opinion. From my humble opinion, we're gonna have a test for the $50, then we might flush. Guys, hit the like. SMCI mean business is going toward the $50 before the market open. We might have the $50. So the $50 is getting near here. We just 8% far from the $8 target or the $50 target. Today is the day for SMCI. We got FOMO, guys. We got FOMO for SMCI. Everybody buying SMCI right now, loading up. Loading up. We got major news for tomorrow. We've been hunting SMCI for a while, guys. We updated the level for SMCI since the bottom. If you remember, the breakout, the warning sign was here. The warning sign was here around the 33. How much we did since just Monday? We did almost 50%. Hallelujah. This is madness. Guys, this is really madness. But I expect a huge pullback now, guys. I expect a huge pullback around the 50, from my opinion. The 50, it is the target for today before a pullback. The $50. If we hit the $50, would be great for today. So for today, guys, we've got QNRX, SEPN, IXHL, NCNA, NCNA, and Lucy. And of course, SMCI, one of the top stocks for today to trade. The rest, like WLGS and the rest, I don't like. GameStop doing all right as well. Have the target around the $30 to break. Let us double check if we got something else lurking in the hood. Nothing much here. Pre-market gainer, we got blue SAPN. Today, stocks that have earnings, we got Cisco, Sony today in pre-market. Let us check Sony, guys. Sony reporting earnings currently now. 5% up. Not bad. 5% up, not bad at all. Yeah, Sony is going to all-time high around the 26, but I don't like it. UNH started to reverse a bit, guys. Yesterday, the dipped almost 17%. So there is a correction happening for UNH. SMCI is still squeezing 20% again. Guys, SMCI, we might have a huge jump right now, and after the market open, we have a pullback. Be careful, SMCI is going crazy now. Yeah, SMCI going ballistic. SMCI going ballistic. ADM or AMD moving with news. What's going on with AMD, guys? AMD 6%. AMD shares rose 19% in May, fueled by robot chip market performance. Whoa, we got Advanced Micro Devices jumps announced new $6 billion shares buyback plan. 6 billion share. Holy baloney. Yeah, AMD, it is really great. It started to move, guys, from the bottom. Wow, AMD looking really good now. After we broke the 104, AMD looking interesting, guys, toward the 125. Now 7%. And SMCI 21%. And it's still going, guys. It's still going toward the $50. Yeah, today it is the day, guys. Today it is the day. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Yeah, we're gonna have a bit of volatility right at the market open, guys. Okay, let's go, guys. SMCI, today is the day. The $50 is our target. We got Coinbase, we got Nvidia, we got AMD doing crazy because of the news. We expect a pullback for AMD as well here. If we have a pullback, I will watch for a pullback entry. For now, we've got a few stocks to watch. SMCI is number one, 21%. It's back to pullback right before the market open. We have 10 minutes left, guys, for the market open. Hit the like, guys. Don't forget, hit the like button on the way in. And just a reminder, we always do update on our Hunter channel on Discord. Last hunt that we did was for this one, Greyphone Digital Mining. We exited exactly around the 289 before the flush that happened 2 days ago. And we already discussed this flush here 2 days ago around the $2.81. Right now is below the $1 or around the $1. Again, if you want to have pretty much early access to those stocks, I will put the link right now to our Discord and Patreon. Don't forget, guys, the link in the live chat section. I just put it right there. So, guys, don't forget to hit the like button on the way in. Good morning, everybody. Emily, IXHL, yes, on the list. Yeah, SMCI doing great. Where's the next entry for SMCI? We got a lot of people asking about SMCI. Guys, SMCI, we already discussed the entry back on Monday before even the market opened on Monday. We said this is the entry or the best sign for a squeeze once we broke this flag. And we had this breakout and we did almost 50% after that. So if you didn't watch the video, guys, make sure to put a notification on and follow us on our YouTube because we always do an update for especially SMCI. The market is correcting, guys, after the major news of the China deal. The tariff is backing to 10%. This is a huge news for the whole market. So everybody started to shop, going shopping. Now it's time for a shopping for the market, guys. Time for a big shopping or discount, Black Friday, whatever you want to call it. So for today, we've got SEPN, QNRX, IXHL, we got NCNA, Lucy, we got mini stocks to watch. But the main ones, let me just take this, that. Need to focus on few stocks for today. I'm gonna bring SMCI to the list here, AMD, maybe Tesla to trade for today. Those three are really active. AMD doing really great. SMCI the same. Tesla is about to pull back a lot for today. So I'm watching for a pullback entry for Tesla. The same for SMCI. Have a bit of struggle here. I have a little bit of struggle before the market opens. So I expect a pullback, guys, at the market open for SMCI. The same for Tesla. We got a bit of overextension here for SMCI especially. Okay. If we pull back, guys, for SMCI, I might enter here around the 44. But for now, it's a bit dangerous because we might have a huge jump at the market open toward the 50, then we pull back. So there's two scenarios. Either we pull back really quick to reverse on the 44 or go back up really quick, test this and go down. Because right now we are between two levels of resistance and support, and now there is no action. So there's a huge anticipation, guys, for the price action at the moment for SMCI right around this level. Guys, don't forget to hit the like button and the way and support the channel. SMCI, what's gonna be, guys? What's gonna be? Are we gonna have another push or a push back down before the market open? Because we got just 5 minutes left. 5 minutes left at the market open. Yeah, the market is still holding for SMCI. I think we're gonna have a pullback. Yeah, pullback is coming for sure. Okay, disclaimer, guys, before we start our live streaming. For today, remember our live streaming is a bit delayed, so remember always do your due diligence before you follow me on the trading session for today. And okay, let's see. We got Tesla here. Tesla is getting near critical zone here. Anyway, so yeah, SMCI is pulling back now. Guys, let us bring our disclaimer before we start our live streaming for today. Remember, guys, we always do our live streaming every day, 30 minutes before the market open. Before the market open, we always do our live streaming 30 minutes before the market open and almost 2 hours before the market open on our Discord and Patreon, and pre-market watch lists and chart analysis updates at our Patreon and Discord. The link comment section and the live chat section if you want to join. Okay, we got 2 minutes left. 2 minutes left at the market open. SMCI pulling back. We got Tesla. I'm watching for a pullback as well, for a pullback entry, maybe here, 336.75. Yeah, I will play the pullback is better for those stocks. SMCI is pulling back, yes. So SMCI pullback, we might have a good entry. I will watch for entry around the 42 and 41 for SMCI, yes. Let's go. The market, I think, is open now. Expect a little pullback, guys, for the markets. A little bit pullback would be great. Okay, watch out, SMCI. We expect a little pullback here. 42.87 could be really good. What else we got here? QNRX is still holding here. SEPN, the same. We're still below the resistance. AXHL, NCNA, nothing much here. Didn't break the resistance. We got Lucy, the Juicy stock still below the resistance. SMCI is pulling back, guys. We expect a pullback around the 42 and the 41. Would be great entry. As Tesla, the same, it's pulling back toward the 336. Yeah, Tesla, we expect a pullback toward the 315, maybe even. Yeah, Tesla 300. Yeah, 330. Okay, so AMD still holding. AMD, yeah, still strong for AMD, guys. Still strong here. We might have a little push for AMD toward the 125 before a flush. Yeah, the same for Tesla here. XHL, guys, is too overextended here. If we don't break the 45 now, I think we're gonna go back down toward the 24 and the 14 cents. The same for SPN. QNRX is just testing the bottom. Yeah, Disney is a bit weak for today. CVNA, holy baloney. CVNA is getting revenge on the short sellers, guys. It's getting a huge revenge on the short sellers right now. It's going toward the 310. What the? Yeah, CVNA is getting crazy. But I don't trust this jump for now. Shopify, the same jumping, but now is around the resistance, so it's too dangerous. Palantir, guys, is going crazy now. Palantir is going to all-time high, guys. There's no stopping for Palantir right now. 133. SMCI is correcting down. Yeah, correction is coming for SMCI. The correction is coming. We might test the 41. We need a little correction, guys, for SMCI. Around the 43 and the 41 would be great. QNRX guys broke the support, so I don't like it now. SEPN still holding. IXHL guys, it might break the resistance now. So IXHL should be number one because we might break the 45. IXHL guys looking great. Didn't break yet. SEPN now, yeah, this one's still good, looking good if we broke the 12 to 30 and hold over the 950. What a crazy day, man. What a crazy day. HCWB, no, nothing much, man. Is not on our list. Nothing. It's still light on volume. Really light. Need to break the 1223 to have a squeeze up. Yeah, SMCI is still struggling here. Coinbase the same, Nvidia's the same, Tesla, Palantir, we have a bit of fake out, I think. AMD still below the resistance. So we might have a pullback, guys, after that. We might have a pullback for the market in a little bit later. RGTI and SOUN. RGTI, SOUN. Let's see RGTI first. RGTI jumping nicely, but it's still below the current resistance, the 1230, brother. 1230 is still the resistance for this one. Current support is the 985. Bottom is around the 660. And profit taken, if we broke the 1230, it is around the 14 and the 16. For SOUN, 7% is going toward the 1540 and the 19. Current resistance is just below the 1324. Support is the 880 and the bottom is the 640. Yeah, XHL guys, it could be good for a breakout now. Guys, don't forget to hit the like button and the way in. Remember, we always go live every day, guys, to discuss the market. Today, SEPN didn't have a chance to break the 1230. That's why it's pulling back down. IXHL tried to break the 45 to go toward the 81. Lucy, the 340 is the resistance. That's why we're pulling back now. QNRX is flashing down. DEVS still weak here. ACHR is breaking the resistance going toward the 1150, guys. HCWB is still slow for today. And NCL still too slow for today. Now, time for a pullback. Yeah, pullback is happening really soon, guys. Pretty soon, especially for Tesla. Especially for Tesla. Waiting for the pullback, guys. Pullback is happening. Can feel it. So we got Tesla and SMCI for a pullback. AMD the same, could be good for a pullback. So I'm gonna put alert just in case if we pull back. Yeah, as we said, guys, Tesla is pulling back right around this resistance. Time for a pullback, guys. We need a pullback for the market. SMCI is pulling back as well below the 50. Expect a pullback toward the 41 first and then the 37. And we got Nvidia pulling back, Coinbase pulling back a bit, Palantir the same. Palantir, if it's held here, would be great for another squeeze up toward over the 127.37. AMD, on the other hand, I'm waiting for the 114 pullback. So yeah, as we said, guys, the market is overextended. Time for a little pullback correction. We got a bit of FOMO. We expected this pullback will happen before the market open, guys. Shopify, CVNA, the same, triggered a resistance for both of them, especially Shopify. Shopify had the huge earnings. That's why doing great after the earnings. We have a flush during the earnings. And after that, we reversed nicely, almost 31%, just 1 week ago. XHL, guys, we have a breakout alert, a breakout right now for XHL. We have to update our level of support now. Target is just around 63, the first target. After that, we got the $1.09. Yeah, it looked really great for now. 63 would be a really great target. SEPN found support over the 952. That's why we started to reverse. NCNA didn't break the resistance. Lucy is pulling back. DEVS, nothing. ACHR. So we have ACHR good, guys, right now. Is about to break the 1150. ACHR, guys. ACHR could be the one. IXHL doing great. Is going toward the 63, guys. SMCI, time for a pullback. A huge pullback is coming for SMCI and Tesla. Nvidia is going down as well. Coinbase, Palantir, AMD. Guys, this is might be the last chance to buy the dip before the rib. This is might be the last chance. Right, pulling back. Yeah, this buy. We might have a huge correction now. Huge correction is coming. Wanna be wizard. I'm gonna check GameStop. DEVS, Ahmed is not good now. It need to break the 102 to go toward the 130 and $2. Current support is the 65, nothing changed. Bottom is 47. HWH is really bad, man. Forget about it. HWH, I just took it from the list entirely because it's not good. Let me just check it again. Wow, it reversed actually. 146. What the hell is going on? So yeah, I thought this broke the 146, but it held. So HWH is still looking all right if we held this bottom, 146, and break the 250. 250 is the resistance and profit taken, and then the $3.11 and $3.90. GameStop. GameStop resistance still around the 29.92. Support it is around the 27.27. So I'm gonna keep it on the main list for GameStop. IXHL, guys, is the number one right now. It's getting near the 63. IXHL going to the moon. AMD still holding here, but I needed to go down more, guys. The same for SMCI and Tesla. I want them to go down more. Need more discount. We need a pullback. The pullback should happen, guys, anytime. We need a pullback. See what's going on with Tesla, guys? We have a huge, humongous reversal here. Huge reversal from the 200 until the almost 400. So that's why we're waiting for a pullback. Yeah, sometimes the pullback will never happen, but the safest thing is waiting for a little pullback. For now, we didn't have a major pullback yet. 2% is nothing. Pullback, it would be good around 5% pullback or 9. Yeah, SMCI, the pullback started from the 47, now 44. We need 41, guys. We need 41. 41 and 37. It would be great if we have this pullback. I'm not saying I want SMCI to squeeze down or flush. No, no, no. I'm saying we need a good entry zone or discount. I like discount, guys. I don't like expensive prices. I like discount. XHL is still strong. The only one is strong right now is XHL, guys. The rest is a bit weak. Yeah, this is the only one that looking great. It's getting near a resistance though, around the 64. ICCT and Rani. ICCT the same. I think I took it from the list. Now it's jumping up. It is too risky here because the resistance is not clear, brother. Around the 3.33, but I don't trust this resistance. But if you want to trade it anyway, we have the 280 as a support, 340 as a resistance, and 413 and 525 as a profit taken. And the bottom is $2. The other one, we got Ronnie, 36% up. Light on volume, man. No, stay away from this one. It's not good. IXHL, guys, we have a bit of struggle to go higher. I think is overextended right now around the 500%. Yeah, it's getting near a major resistance, guys. 63, I think, will be it. And we might pull back before even testing the 63. So it's better to take profit here right now before a pullback. I expect a huge pullback right now for this stock, guys. I expect a huge pullback for it before the 63. EVGO is pumping. Thank you. I will check it. So yeah, this one I'm gonna exit from it. I think we have a bit of struggle to go higher. EVGO, let me just double check this one. 11%, again, is too light on volume and too light. We have now the support around the 355. Resistance is getting near around the 477. But is not my cup of tea. SABN is pulling back down. ACHR pulling back down. HWH still struggling, but it needs to break the 250 to squeeze. GameStop trying to go toward the 29, the squeeze zone. Yeah, Shopify is fighting today. Fighting around the 310, which is the breakout zone. Yeah, now the whole market is pulling back a bit. But there's no flush. There's still buyers, guys. Some traders just buying blindly because they felt FOMO and they buying the dip. That's why the price didn't flush down really quick. You are welcome, Eat Rice. You are welcome, man. IXHL is gonna test the 36, then go back down, but it's too risky here, man. It's too risky. It's too risky play now. Yeah, we might go up again, but after that we're gonna go down. The risk is real here. The risk is real. Still holding. What's going on with cryptos? Yeah, Bitcoin down again. We are down a bit for Bitcoin. For solo, I think we already hit the target here, but now we have another target to break around the 186. Anyway, XRB doing really great here, guys. Doing really great, almost around the all-time high. The best performer altcoin on the list. Bitcoin is getting near the all-time high over the 110. ACHR, nothing much here. Yeah, we have a test for the resistance, but no breakout. And IXHL is still going up. The ultimate target is the 63 before a flush. Expect a pullback, guys, around the 63. So I'm a bit cautious with this one. I don't trust it. Even though the volume is almost half a billion, and we have almost 600% now for IXHL. Holy baloney. We have a test for the 63, and now we're breaking it over the 66. So this one is still going toward the $1 then. $1.09. I'm gonna update the support now around the 46. The rest is pulling back, guys. We don't have any jump except for this one. This one have a huge news. Yeah, they have a new phase 2 drug, good result. That's why it's jumping like crazy, man. This one is on cocaine, guys. And you know what's happened when you have overdose of cocaine? You know what's gonna happen to you? Heart attack after that, and go to the grave if you're lucky. SMCI is still pulling back. I need a little more pullback here. Sometimes we don't get what we want in life, guys. For example, like now for the stock, we want Tesla to go a little bit more down to buy. And sometimes life never give us what we want. So the solution for that is to let it go, you know, to let it go and don't force it. Because those kind of things is outside our control. We can do nothing about it. But most traders, they say, oh, I should have bought here. I should have entered. Why? Why? But if you go back in time and you just buy blindly, you're gonna lose money. So I don't care if the price go up. If I miss the trade, I don't care. If it doesn't fit my strategy, I will let it go. HWH again. HWH. Resistance is the 259. Support is the 146. And target 311 and 390. FSB, nothing. FSP. Yeah, FSB not good for today. GameStop start to move, guys, around the 29 this time. It started to move slowly and surely. We have a support for GameStop around the 28, 23. The other support is 27, 27. GameStop doing great for today, guys. We might have a squeeze. SMCI is still holding here. Tesla still holding. Unusual hold here for Tesla over the 337. There is no pullback, man. No pullback yet for Tesla. Yeah, the market is strangely strong for today. CVNA trying to break out here from the 310. 310 is the target to break. We got haltation for IXHL, got halted. Let's see the stock that got halted right now. IXHL is halted. We got IQST, KWM, KWM. Oh, no, 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 not good at all. And the other one is IQST. No good as well. So IXHL, guys, is going toward the $1, and it's back to unhalted, get unhalted, then flush around the $1.09. So this is it, guys. This is the price where we're gonna get flush down for IXHL. What else we got? Nothing much here. So yeah, we got DEVS breaking out here. Could be good for a breakout. And GameStop. So the main ones that I'm gonna check together later on to update the levels, guys, is DEVS and IXHL. The rest of the market for the unicorn, that they're not good. Yeah, not good for now. Not good. No, 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 no. So remember, guys, we're gonna do a major update later on for the market right on our Hunter channel. Last time we did for GRYB before the flush, and this time is a deja vu. We're gonna do for IXHL, the top stocks for today. Almost 1000%. Yes, madness. This is the true unicorn for today. Yeah, unexpected. And the reason is because they have new drug phase 2 have a huge result. So DEVS tried to break, yes. So we have DEVS is already breaking, I think now. No, still trying to break the 102, but we got shorted. So this one could be good, guys, for later. So we're gonna put the chart on our Hunter channel on Discord, the Unicorn Hunt channel, guys. Make sure to tune in because we're gonna update the DEVS levels with IXHL, which is halted currently right now. We're gonna update the levels for SMCI as well, so be careful. SMCI, bubble push. Yes. Going. This is it for now, guys. Thank you for watching. I'm gonna update you guys for all the levels later on for those stocks, especially those two stocks that did really great for today. And remember, guys, tomorrow we're gonna do another update, of course, live streaming 30 minutes before the market open. Daily update, daily live streaming. The market is doing fantastically good, guys. Now we have a little bit of pullback is coming because the SPY is overextended, even though with the good news with the tariff with China. So this is really great. We have a huge jump for mini stocks, Palantir, especially AMD as well. So I expect a pullback before a continuation up for the rest of the week. However, great hunt for this week, guys. Remember, the market is still not over. So we're gonna continue to hunt on our Discord. We're gonna do a major update over there, guys. The link in comment section below if you want to join the hunt today after we finish our live streaming and early before the market open on our Discord as well. We do pre-market watch list every day, guys, to discuss the precise entry, the perfect entry before even the market opens, because sometimes the best entry is happening in the pre-market even before the market opens. Thank you for watching, guys, and see you by tomorrow.